Apple confirms 4 new iPhones and a nasty surprise for iPhone 12. You know when you put nasty in the headline, Will?
Yeah.
You get Will's click. Nasty in there. He says, ooh.
That's juicy.
Salacious. And your new iPhone 12 just became legacy. So do we have a new iPhone coming out? Is like that what people are stressing about? Is there a new iPhone, Will?
Yeah. So the iPhone 13 is coming out next week, but they say that the iPhone 12 will not be on sale anymore since it's deemed a legacy phone.
But they normally hang on to some form of the previous version, don't they? This is different than usual?
I think so.
Because
can you still buy the iPhone 11?
11. I don't know. Let's see what we can buy right now. That's what I want to know. We can buy the 12 Pro, the 12, the SE, and we can buy the 11 and the 10R.
The 10R is still sticking around, eh?
It's the budget phone. This is the cheapest one, right? Or I guess the SE is. How much is the SE? Let's get to the bottom of this. Select 64 gigs of the 10R.
The 10R.
Yeah. Just pick any color, it doesn't matter. $499. You get a 10R. And the SE, these are of course US prices. You get the SE for less than that. $299? $399. All right. Yeah, maybe the 10R is a better deal. $499. So does that mean the SE hangs around still and the 10R hangs around, but then the 11 just vanishes? I guess it's possible.
And is it because maybe the iPhone 12 and the 13 are too similar?
Why are you in the education store right now?
I don't know.
What are you trying to do? Get a deal or something?
Well, let me exit. There you go.
What are you trying to do over here? Catch a deal like you're some sort of student?
Oh, I'm always a student of life.
Student of the game.
Sure.
Student of programming and web development and JavaScript.
Mm-hmm.
Crypto Will.
Definitely a student of crypto.
Crypto Will.
I'm a Padawan of crypto.
Man, you got to chill with all these coins and tokens. You got to chill, man. You're getting out of control. The people are concerned. I'm getting private messages from people. They say,
yeah?
Yeah, they say you got to check up on him.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm glad.
They said,
Thank you for your support.
They said the crypto stuff is out of control.
Mm-hmm.
This is people.
It is.
This is people who, with knowledge, people who are close to the matter.
Really?
Yeah, you don't even know who it is.
Oh. Is it Michael Saylor?
Who's that?
He's a Bitcoin advocate.
Yeah, it might
MicroStrategy.
be. Okay, maybe it's him.
Yeah, that guy. Okay, good.
All right, so legacy phone. So they get rid of the iPhone 11, so you have to feel worse about hanging on to your iPhone 11, so you got to get, or iPhone 12, sorry. They get rid of the iPhone 12. Wait, and the 11, presumably. Why hang on to that? They could still sell that right now. God, it's too many phones over here.
Yeah. Apparently, they're also going to sell 4 models of the iPhone 13, just like the 12.
So the mini hangs in there.
Yes. Just for hopefully 1 more year.
Yeah. I saw Kirk started using the mini.
He likes it.
Yeah. I don't know. This is no surprise to me.
Oh, okay.